Hello everyone, do you remember this table skirt I introduced before? This is a custom-made item, but on this tutorial I will show you how to DIY the table skirt. By using the fabric, we will use our eye-silk fabric and net fabric. Okay, let's get it started. Okay, first of all, we need to use the ribbon. In fact, use wider ribbon will be better, but since I only have this sample on hand. Okay, measure our edge of table so that we can take the length of our skirt, table skirt we want to make. Okay, so we measure 3 edge our table so that we got the length of the table skirt we are going to make. Save a little more room and cut off the ribbon. Okay, the next step is our fabric. Since our fabric is about 1.5 meter wide, and the height of the table will be about, the standard is 75 cm tall. So we will fold it and cut it off. Okay, look, I cut off the fabric. And also, we need to cut off the sash fabric also. Okay, completed with the fabric cutting. So the next step, we're starting to make the table skirt. First, we will take this fabric for our first layer, inner layer of our table skirt. We will take double length of the ribbon we take. Okay. Okay, this is the length of the inner layer fabric we want to take. I will cut it off. Okay, look, I cut off the fabric and I cut a little bit more than what I want because when we serve the fabric, we need to fold it so that we can hide the edge of the fabric. Okay, then using our band material, like this one. Look, this band. Look at this. There are 2 strings on the band, so we can dragging the string to shorten or extend the band, so we can use to make the ruffle of the table skirt. Okay, first of all, we need to take the band double long as the table skirt we are going to make. So, use our ribbon. Okay, firstly, I will mark a record on the string. and then use our ribbon. Because we already measured the length of the table skirt we are going to make. So we will use the ribbon. Okay, look. On this page, mark the record on the string. This is the length of our table skirt we are going to make, but we need to take double length 2 times as long of the table skirt we are going to make. Okay, look. This plate is the fabric, the material. This is the length of the fabric we are going to take because we want to make the ruffle. 2 times long as the table skirt we are going to make. Okay, then the next step, we need to cut off the band. Okay. And use the clip. Okay, this is the fabric we cut. And then we will use it and serve it on our band. Look at this. There are some threads out from the fabric and there are a line of hole on the edge of the fabric. This is not the quality problem. All the fabric out from the fabric will be look like this. If you don't like it, you can cut it off. But anyway, we will sew the fabric on the band. We will sew it on display and display. But first of all, on the end of the fabric, we need to fold it. Look, the fabric, fold it on the edge of the fabric because we need to hide the edge on the back side, like this. Okay, firstly, we will sew the band on the top and then we will sew it on the bottom of the band. Just serve it. You don't have to serve it very careful because don't waste time on it. You don't have to serve it very careful because we will take out the string after we complete everything. Serve it faster. Okay, completed with the serving. I make 2 layers. This is inner layer by using the eye-silk fabric. And another fabric, another layer using the net fabric, and I use 2 pieces of the net fabric, 2 pieces to sew together with the band. And this is 2 times as long as the table skirt we are going to make. This 3 times as long as the table skirt we are going to make. Okay, then the following, we need to cut off the band, just the band only. Do not cut the fabric. On the middle of the band, look, there are 2 lines on the band. We need to cut it on the middle of the band. Be careful, just cut the band only. Do not cut the fabric. Okay? And do not cut the string. Okay, look. I cut off the band. Look like this. Also, this net fabric also cut off the band from the middle. Okay, and then we need to shorten the fabric into the real side, actual side of the table skirt, the long we want to make. Look, the straight. Stretch the straight. Okay. We can tie a knot. Okay. Then stretch and shorten the fabric. Okay, look, do you remember the record we marked? Tie on it. And then we will average the ruffle along with the band. Average the ruffle. Okay, after I average the ruffle along the band, then I will step them together, inner layer and this net layer, step them together. Look, they are shortish. When we shorten the fabric, the band we cut off, the thread will come out, but it doesn't matter. Look, the thread will come out. It doesn't matter, okay? And then the ribbon. The ribbon, fold them. Fold the ribbon like this. Then you will get a line on the middle. And then step the fabric. Look. Also, the ribbon. This is the smooth face, and this is the back side of the ribbon. Look, the middle line. Okay, and then serve them together. Look. Just follow the line of the ribbon will be okay. Do not serve with the string, don't serve with the band will be okay. Step the inner layer, the net layer and the ribbon, and then serve them, follow the line of the ribbon will be okay. Okay, complete it by serving the ribbon, the sash layer and the inner layer fabric together. This part will be a little bit difficult. We need to pay much more patience on it. Okay, then the next step we need to take off the bench. Take out the stitch. Careful. It's already all matched because when we cut off the band, the threads come out. But anyway, let's remove the band. Okay, after take off the band, our table skirt almost complete. Look. This is our table skirt. Look. And the last procedure is to serve the velcro on the ribbon so that we can stick on the table. Okay, look, after we serve the velcro on the ribbon, we can cut the side, cut the rest off. I will show you the effect after I complete it. Okay, look, completed with everything. Look, the table skirt. Look like this. And the back side. The velcro. Okay, now let's put it on the table to check the effect. Okay, look, let's check the effect. Look, this is the effect. Very pretty. Let's zoom in for the detail. Look, this is the stitch we serve. Not perfect as the professional tailor to make it, but they come out really pretty. Look, let's check it from the top to the bottom. They come out really pretty. And look at the net fabric. Since I'm using the fabric not much good as our customized table skirt, the material of the table skirt not much transparent, so a little bit heavy. Okay, look, this is the starch material. We of course we not only supply this type of starch, we also supply the starch which used for our customized table skirt. I use this starch just because I have them enough fabric on hand. In the future, I think I will show you. Show you the effect by using that kind of the fabric, but using this starch material will be make the table skirt much more rich. For the customized table skirt will make the table skirt much more transparent. Anyway, let me change the table skirt, making with the transparent starch. Okay, look, this is our custom-made table skirt I introduced before. Look, the net will be much more transparent, so this is the effect. This type of table skirt will be much more fancy. The come out will be much more fancy. Look, this net material will be much more transparent. And look at the ruffle. They are in order, will be look much more professional than the table skirt we make. Okay, can you check the difference? Okay, back to our handmade table skirt. On my opinion, handmade the table skirt by ourselves, we have to spend a lot of time on it. And customize the table skirt will not cost you a lot of money. So on my opinion, just spend a little more money to ask someone professional to make the table skirt for you and save a lot of time and use the time on something much more funny will be a good choice. In case you want to make a special table skirt, take this video, just want to share you my idea about how to DIY the table skirt, because I have some idea about making the special table skirt. That's why I handmade this table skirt and took this video. And for the following video, when I got some special fabric, I will show you the effect by using the fabric to make a very unique table skirt. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.